Crafting legacies, the art of fatherhood and the quest for constant excellence. Being a father is so much more than fulfilling the day-to-day tasks of raising a child. Being a father is about the legacy that will endure for generations, the making of the next generation, and striving for the best every day in every part of your life. Fathers are joyous and push for excellence by nurturing meaningful connections, passing values along, unwrapping creativity, and celebrating everyone's victories together. The significance of fatherhood in leaving a legacy. In reflecting upon being a father, the most important thing we need to consider when discussing legacy. It is more important than what we as fathers feel is hope. Leaving a legacy will shape our children in the form of the values, beliefs, and behaviors that we as parents provide, no matter what. We are the role models for the values, beliefs, and attitudes our children will use to shape their character. Therefore, we as fathers can leave behind to a legacy of love, wisdom, and integrity. The art of fatherhood. Fatherhood is pulling and pushing of guiding, teaching, and encouraging our children to reach their highest potential. Fatherhood is creating a supportive and loving environment for one's child to be free to explore and discover the world, grow and develop. Fathers must find the balance to cultivate a loving home full of communication of boundaries, where they will communicate, instruct, and establish healthy, close relationships with our children. Striving for constant excellence. Excellence is not about reaching a destination, but rather a journey that we are on, constantly working to grow and get better. For fathers, it is important to strive for excellence in all facets of the roles they play, as fathers, partners, and as individuals. When we set high standards, periodically take on new challenges, and embrace personal and professional growth, we are showing our children the importance of persistence, determination, and consistently working to better yourself. Building lasting memories. Family moments are the basic units of a family's heritage. Fathers have the capacity to create lasting memories for their children, which they can do through different experiences, conversations, and quality time together. A family holiday, a weekend project, or even reading to them before bedtime. These cherished moments are the moments that form the bond between a father and his child. Passing down values and traditions. One of the most valuable contributions that fathers make towards leaving a lasting legacy is in what they pass down to their children in the areas of values and traditions. When fathers take the time to teach their children about honesty, respect, kindness, and empathy, they aren't just helping them to become compassionate and responsible human beings. They are helping to set up a path for them to follow. Each family tradition, ritual, or custom maintains the connection between generations, helps with the feeling of unity and belonging. Fostering creativity and innovation. Dads perform a crucial function in shaping the creative and innovative levels of their children. Dads build creative and innovative abilities by encouraging curiosity, discovery, and experimentation in their children. Dads motivate kids to think creatively by problem solving, thinking outside the box, embracing new concepts and ideas. Fostering creative thinking allows children to face challenges with flexibility, resourcefulness, and ingenuity. Embracing challenges and growth. Being a father is difficult, but it offers fathers their own set of challenges. Fathers can provide their children with examples of resolve, flexibility, and hope, showing their children what it means to persist and demonstrate fortitude when times get tough. Fathers have an opportunity to model growth and learning for their children, as each issue they encounter adds the potential for growth and learning for both fathers and children. Balancing support and encouragement. The core to effective fathering is the process of operating supportively. Fathers need to create an environment where their children feel secure and valued, and are encouraged to pursue their interests. Through various acts in the fathering role, such as speaking kindly, offering feedback, and providing guidance, fathers have the opportunity to raise confident, self-assured children who believe in their capacity to be successful. Leading by example. It is no secret that children learn about what is important by watching their parents. As a father, you can positively influence your child's development by exhibiting characteristics like integrity, humility, and authenticity in your daily actions and expressions. All positive behaviors can not only be taught by fathers to children, but they can be demonstrated in their own lifestyles, so that children aspire to those behaviors and behaviors modeled by their fathers. Nurturing emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a key skill that fathers can help children cultivate. In teaching children to identify and manage emotions, empathize, and communicate, fathers will help children develop strong social skills and the ability to cultivate healthy relationships. Emotional intelligence gives children the tools they need to gracefully navigate life's ups and downs with empathy. Cultivating resilience and perseverance. There are certain essential characteristics that fathers can imbue children with. Fathers instilling in children the ability to bounce back from adversity and stick-to-itiveness gives children the tools to overcome obstacles and persevere. Teach kids to stick to it, to learn from adversity and to bounce back from adversity, and they can better navigate life's adversities, ups and downs, and will still be able to swing through life in a positive manner. Celebrating achievements and milestones. Recognizing and honoring accomplishments and milestones is important for promoting pride and a sense of accomplishment in our children. Fathers must recognize effort, celebrate accomplishments, and acknowledge milestones regardless of size. By deliberately creating a culture of recognition and celebration, fathers instill principles that inspire their children to pursue excellence and to enjoy the fruits of their labors. In closing, fatherhood is an art form that calls for love, dedication, and a work-like ethic. Through love, wisdom, and integrity, fathers give their children as well as future generations a heritage. Let us go through fatherhood with zeal and direction, striving for the highest degree of performance in everything we undertake, aiming for long-lasting impacts of power, tenacity, and love. Important. If you find yourself in a situation where the information above is helpful to you, remember to say that El Master Chief told you. For more useful information, visit the social networks in LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify.